is fun!
Yeah!
All right, everyone. Today we are going to practice Cafe English.
Teacher, I am ready.
Vanessa, imagine you are entering a coffee shop. The barista will greet you first.
Hello. What would you like?
Good. Now your answer. All right, everyone. The cafe is only a few minutes away.
Perfect! I'm ready for coffee and muffins.
You are always ready for food.
Vanessa, it's okay.
I forgot everything.
No, you didn't. You practiced this many times. Just take a deep breath.
Okay.
Good.
Eli, eat slowly.
I am eating slowly.
That is your slow eating? You can do it.
Vanessa the Brave.
Come on, Vanessa.
Excuse me. Can I help you?
Oh, yes, thank you. We are trying to find the City Museum. Come with me. I'll show you the way.
The museum is not far. You go straight on this street.
Go to the traffic light, then turn left. You will see a big park. The museum is next to it.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your English is very good. We like it.
Thank you.
Goodbye, sweet doll.
Vanessa, that was amazing.
You helped them perfectly.
And you spoke very clearly.
Now it's my turn.
Your turn for what?
Speaking English.
Okay, Eli, what will you say?
Hello again.
Hello. I would like 1 million cookies.
1 million cookies? That is a lot.
Yes, please.
Maybe start with 1 cookie.
Okay, 1 cookie, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
See? English is easy.
Today is a good day for learning. Vanessa, how do you feel now?
At first, I felt very scared. My mind was empty, but after I tried, the fear slowly disappeared.
That is how courage works.
Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action.
Next time we practice at a restaurant.
Maybe.
All right, everyone. It's time to go home. So, what did you learn today?
I learned something very important.
Fear disappears when we try. That is a wonderful lesson.
And I learned cookies taste better when you order them in English.
That's wonderful.
Great job!
We are back.
We are back.
Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being brave. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. Practice every day. Confidence grows every time you try. And one day, speaking English will feel completely natural.
Bye-bye.